Welcome to my YouTube channel Astha School Shivahar.
गुड मॉर्निंग चिल्ड्रेन। पिछले क्लास में हम लोगों ने पढ़ा था मैथ में एक्सपेंड वो काउंटिंग नंबर नेम, व्हाट कम्स आफ्टर, व्हाट कम्स बिफोर, व्हाट कम्स बिटवीन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर एंड डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर। नेक्स्ट हमारा पॉइंट है एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म एंड शॉर्ट फॉर्म। एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म एंड शॉर्ट फॉर्म को जानने से पहले ये जानना है ये वंस, टेंस, हंड्रेड and thousand. Here are some numbers. 4 is our ones, 2 is our tens, and 3 is our hundred, and 1 is our thousands. We can write it in this way: 1000 plus 300 plus 20 and plus 4. This is our expanded form, and when we add it, we get 1324. It is our short form. So let's do your exercise. In your notebook, here is a question. Write the following numbers in expanded form. And your number is 73. We have to write it in expanded form. 73 means 3 ones and 70 tens. Ones and tens. 3 ones and 7 tens. We can write it 7 tens means 70 and 3 ones. Then we get 73. 70 plus 3 is our expanded form. And next question, 97. Same question. First of all, we write it here ones and tens. Here 7 is our ones and 9 is our tens. Then we write it 90 plus 7. Means 7 ones and 9 tens equal to 97. 90 plus 7 is our expanded form. And then your next question is write the following in short form.
Good morning.
Short form. Here is your question: 5 tens plus 6 ones. Then what we get? 5 tens means 50 and 6 ones means 60 equal to 56. 56 is our short form. Next question is 6 tens plus 9 ones. 6 tens plus 9 ones is our question. Then we write it 6 tens means 60 plus 9 ones equal to 69. 6 plus 9 is equal to our expanded form, and 69 is equal to 69 is our short form. Same question, 44. 4 tens plus 4 ones is equal to 40 plus 4. We get 44. 44 is our short form. And your next question is add the following on the basis of pictures. we have to add some pictures. Add the following on the basis of पिक्चर्स. हमें कुछ चीजों को ऐड करना है पिक्चर के बेस पे. We can draw some pictures of all 1, 2, 3, 4 and here 5, 6 and here is we have to add it. Then here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 ball and here is 1, 2 ball. We have to add it. Then we can count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Then we get our answer is 8. Same we can take other pic. Here is a triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have to add it. Here is a 5 triangle and here is 4 triangle. We have to add it. We can count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we get our answer is 9. अब इस पिक्चर को ऐड भी कर सकते हैं या फिर इसे काउंट करके इसका आंसर भी निकाल सकते हैं. जैसे 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal to 5 triangle and here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Here is 4 triangle. इसे ऐड करेंगे या फिर इसे काउंट कर लेंगे 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Our answer is 9. Our next question is add the following without the help of any picture. Our question is 4, 6, 2, 3. We have to add it. We know how can we add 6 plus 3 equal to 9. 4 plus 2 equal to 6. We can add it in this way. Here is 6. We can draw 6 lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and add it in 3 lines 1, 2, 3. Then we can count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then we get 9. Same. Here is we can draw 4 lines 1, 2, 3, 4 and next 2 lines plus 1 and 2. Then we can count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we get 6. Here is 6. We can add it in this way and other this way. And your next 3, 4 and 2, 9. We have to add it. This is add of carry. 4 plus 9 equal to 13. Which ones and our tens. 4 plus 9 equal to 13. We get carry 1. 1 is here, then we can add it. 1 plus 3 equal to 4 plus 2 equal to 6. We get 63. Same question 89 plus 5. 9 plus 5 equal to 14. Carry 1. 1 plus 8 equal to 9. We get our answer is 9. In this way we can add many addition. And your next question. Here is some brainstorming questions with addition. show me with addition. Here is our first question. I have 3 pencils. And my mother gave me 2 pencils. How many pencils do I have now? Pencils do I have now? Here is question. I have 3 pencils. My mother gave me 2 pencils. How many pencils do I have now? I have 3 pencils. Means we can draw 3 lines. And my mother gave me 2 pencils. We can draw 2 lines. Here our question. How many pencils do I have now? अब हमारे पास कितने पेन हैं? जैसे मेरे पास 3 पेन है, मेरी माँ ने मुझे 2 कलम दिए, तो टोटल कितने हो गए थे? We can count it 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here is 5. I have 5 pens now. We can add 3 plus 2 equal to 5. Next question. Your question is Sakshi. Sakshi is 11 years old. Her sister is 14 years old. What is the sum of their ages? Here is question. Sakshi is 11 years old and her sister is 14 years old. Sakshi is equal to 11 years old and her sister is equal to 14 years old. My question is, what is the sum of their ages? We have to add it and then we get what is the sum of their ages. 1 plus 4 equal to 5. 1 plus 1 equal to 2. The sum of their ages is equal to 25 years. Here is our answer. The sum of their ages are 25 years. Your next question is subtract the following. Here is some pictures. We have to subtract. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 number of cubes. And we have to subtract this 3 number. 1, 2, 3 minus 3. Then we get 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. In this way we can subtract other pictures. There is a triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total number of triangles equal to 6. And we have to subtract 3. 1, 2, 3. Then we have 3 triangles. 3 is our answer. 5, 9, 59, 1, 6. We have to subtract it. Here is the ones and it is our tens. 9 and 6. We have to subtract it. 9 minus 6 equal to 3. 4, 5 minus 4 equal to 5 minus 1 equal to 4. We can subtract it in this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. We have 9 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have to subtract in it 6 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we have 3 cubes. 3 and next 5. We have 5 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We have to subtract it 1 cube. 5 minus 1 equal to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We get 4. Here is our 4. This is our answer. And your next question, same brainstorming with subtraction. से पहले था brainstorming with addition. Now we have question brainstorming with subtraction. Brainstorming with subtraction. Our question is a company manufactured 54 televisions, means TV, in a month. Renting of them were found effective. And the number of televisions with no defects. Here is a question. A company manufactures 54 television in a month. यानी एक कंपनी एक मंथ में 54 टेलीविजन बनाती है. 17 of them were found defective. उसमें से 17 जो होते हैं खराब हो जाते हैं. उनमें से 17 खराब निकल जाते हैं. Find the number of televisions with no defect. तो ऐसे टेलीविजन का नंबर निकालना है जो खराब नहीं हुए हैं. Total number of televisions equal to equal to 54. Number of defective televisions equal to 17. Then our question, find the number of televisions with no defects. ऐसे टेलीविजन का नंबर निकालना है जो खराब नहीं हुए हैं. And we have to subtract it. Then we get the number of televisions with no defects. Here is ones and here is tens. We have to take some carriage. 7. We can take one carriage equal to 4 equal to 14. Then we can subtract it. 14 minus 7 equal to 7, and this is 4 and we get 37. मीन्स यहाँ पे ये कम है और ये ज़्यादा है, इससे हम कैरी लेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा 14, 14 में 7 जाएगा 7, और ये हो गया 5 था तो ये हो गया 4, 4 में 7 गया 3. दिस इज आवर आंसर. And our next question is multiply the following. Multiply the following. We have some digits to multiply. 2 into 4 equal to what? We can multiply it in this way. 2 into 4 means we can write 2 in 4 times. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. We get 2 plus 2 equal to 4. 4 plus 2 equal to 6. 6 plus 2 equal to 8. We can get here our answer is 8, and in this way 2 equal to 4 equal to 8. Same question, 3 equal to 2, 3 into 2 equal to what? We can write it 3 plus 3 equal to 6, and we can write 3 equal to 2 equal to 6. 4 plus 3, 4 into 2 equal to what? We can write 4 in 4 times. 4 plus into 2 times. 4 plus 4 equal to 8, and in this way 4 equal to 2 equal to 8. And now your next question is fill in the blanks. plus 50 paise equal to dash paise. We have to add it. We can write it in this way, 25 and 50, and we can add it. 5 plus 2 equal to 2 plus 5 equal to 7. We get 75 paise. Next question, rupees 1 plus rupees 2 equal to dash rupees. We can write 1 plus 2 equal to 3. Our answer is 3 rupees. And your next question is how many days are there in a week? Means एक सप्ताह में कितने दिन होते हैं? How many days are there in a week? We all know that there are 7 days in a week. इसका आंसर 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. And your next question, how many months are there in a year? एक साल में कितने मंथ होते हैं? We all know that there are 12 months in a year. Our answer is 12 months. And your next question is fill in the blanks. A circle has dash sides and dash vertex. Here is a circle. We know that a circle has no sides and no vertices. Means a circle has no side and no verticals. Vertices. And ice cream is in the shape of a. Here is ice cream in the shape of a cone. And ice cream in the shape of a cone. The shape of a football is a. फुटबॉल का शेप कैसा होता है? The shape of a football is a circle. The shape of a football is a circle. That's all. Your first chapter is finished.
Thanks for watching this video.